And we've got the closing bell sounding on this Monday, September 21st, 2009.
Let's take a look at the action as the market settles there. You heard Doug talking about the level they're watching as the next hurdle. They want to see 1080. He says that it was impressive to see the S&P hold over 1030. It certainly did that, closing right now at about 1065, even though we have a drop of about a third of 1% there. On the Dow, falling about 0.4% or 40 points. A little bit of a recovery into the close there, 97.78, the closing level. And the Nasdaq holding on to gains, up about 0.25% at the close to 2138. Let's get a breakdown of what drove the markets up and down today. Suzanne O'Halloran joins us from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Michael Whitney is at the markets desk wrapping up the oil trade. And still with us, our featured guest, Michael Pine from Barclays Capital. Suzanne, I want to start with you, though. Bit of a mixed trade today, but losses on the S&P and the Dow.
That's right, and modest declines, Matt. That's what traders here are talking about. And we did see some headwinds from financial stocks like Dow member Bank of America. Bank of America actually missed a deadline to provide documents to government officials relating to that Merrill Lynch acquisition. B of A says certain documents violate client privacy regulations. They don't want to hand them over. Of course, the government disagrees. The bank will meet with officials tomorrow at the House Oversight and Reform Committee. Congressman Towns from New York, he had a busy day. He's the chairman of that committee. He will be meeting with Bank of America officials tomorrow. Nonetheless, the stock did fall today. Dell was also weighed on the market, as we've been reporting. Dell paying about $4 billion for Perot Systems. Now, the situation here is Dell paying a pretty hefty premium for this company, a 68%. Dell shares declined, and no surprise, we saw shares of Perot Systems soar. Here on the big board, the best performer up well over 60%. And two Dow members getting some positive commentary from analysts. Analysts say these stocks are undervalued. General Electric had a nice day today. Morgan Stanley, the latest firm to come out and talk favorably about GE, saying that the company's risk profile is actually improving. They say GE shares should be trading closer to the $19 level. We closed at 16 and change. The other stock getting talked about today is Wal-Mart. Wal-Mart actually the best performer on a percentage basis in the Dow Industrials today. The team at HSBC says the market is not factoring in Walmart's international business. The stock should be trading around $61 a share. So we saw some money flow into Walmart today. And Carol, even with today's rise, Walmart shares still among the weakest Dow members so far this year. Walmart shares down about 9%. Carol?